Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But if you're looking at the markets today, we're seeing quite a bit of green across the board, and you guys probably are scratching your head right now. Crypto ZX, wait, things are not making sense. The last time you probably checked, the market was down quite a bit. Come on, guys, I'm just playing with you. On the daily time frame, we are seeing quite a bit of red across the board. And of course, at this point, if you did watch, my updates throughout the day, you know exactly what has happened. But if you did not, we're going to be discussing that in this update. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So of course, the entire market did take a hit today due to Bitcoin seeing a pullback. And this pullback did not come as a surprise to myself. We saw massive amounts of longs that were piling up, and I think whales did decide to come out and shake out the weekends, and the shakeout was needed. If you are an OG crypto investor, you really understand as to how important this is, because nothing goes straight up forever, and I hope the newcomers really start understanding that. But the good thing is, if you're looking at the last hourly time frame, exactly what I wanted Bitcoin to do over the past few hours, Bitcoin has done it, and you're seeing the entire market reacting to that in a really positive way. And of course, meme coins still are not showing any signs of slowing down. If you're looking at it as of now, the top gainers once again are meme coins. Floki up 9.9%, Pepe up 7%, WIF up 5.6%, and none other than our good old friend Bonk up 6.5%. So this gives us an indication that meme coins definitely are not slowing down right now. But let's waste no more time and discuss what exactly is next for Bonk, and of course what is yet to come. So if we're looking at the price of Bonk right now, still about 4 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 32.99, down 4.2% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, as well as 3% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap, on the other hand, is currently sitting at $2.1 billion, with the 24-hour trading volume currently above 1.1 billion, which is really nice to see. But we're going to talk about whether or not we could see Bonk reclaiming past all-time highs. That's the question that I've been receiving over the past few hours, and that's what I want to answer for you guys. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. The comment that I get on a single day, people are like, Crypto ZX, when should we lock in profits? When should we buy this and that, and which project should we buy? I'm not here to tell you that. I'm bringing you guys the updates you need. When it comes to you guys picking what you want, that's all up to you. This is where your due diligence and research comes into play, and that's what I've been clear about from the beginning, and I really hope the newcomers understand that. In terms of profit taking, I always give indications that, hey, if you're looking at your portfolio and the question that you ask yourself is, hold on, this is too much profit that I cannot afford to lose, guess what? That's the best sign for locking some profits in, and I think that's the biggest help there is. But let's get right into the Bonks update. If you're looking at some of the recent news, you can see massive amounts of liquidations occurred on Sol. About 4.2 million liquidated in shorts as Solana breaks through major resistance, and that was historic as well. But what's also historic is, and again, not a lot of Bonk people are excited about this, is that the WIF token, guys, was listed on Binance today, and that is a massive news, which again even took me by surprise, because believe it or not, I saw a WIF token go from 0.03 cents all the way up to wherever it is right now, which is above $1. Let's actually take a look at it, because we are talking about, so you're looking at it, $1.86. This is absolutely something I cannot wrap my head around, and it just makes me truly excited for the people that actually did get it. So kudos to the people that got into WIF token. But some of the Bonk holders are not excited about this, because we did not expect that Binance is going to come out and list it like this, and that is quite different this time around. Believe it or not, that is different, especially if you've been in the space since last cycle. We did not see Binance coming in listing other meme coins like with the snap of a finger, but the fact that they have listed WIF token really is speaking a lot as to where Binance is heading. Is this Binance listing even going to be a thing anymore? Are they not going to be too careful as to what they list, or are they just going to try to list everything so they make big bucks? I still think they are going to list only a few meme coins, but the fact that they have already listed two Solana a meme coin so fast is telling me that, hopefully they don't start listing too many. Because the reason as to why I'm saying this is because then what is the beauty, right? What's the beauty of a meme coin? Then every meme coin that can gain a hype, and then boom, Binance just eventually comes out and listed, and it's not going to be a good look on Binance itself. So that's that. Maybe they're done with the listing, but again, only time is going to tell. But yet, one thing that a lot of people still forget is that Bonk is the only meme coin as of now, after Shiba Inu and of course Dogecoin, that is listed on none other than Coinbase itself. And you guys know the importance of Coinbase, the biggest fiat gateway when it comes to newcomers coming into the space, and that is going to really help a Bonk, in my opinion, once things really start heating up. You guys might be asking yourself, Crypto ZX, hold on, your things are heating up like crazy right now. But what if I told you things are going to get even crazier, in my opinion, after halvening is over? But again, that's my personal opinion, only time is going to tell. But Bonk is pretty much doing what they're doing always, engaging with their viewers. You can see it says, if you ain't talking Bonk, I don't want to talk. I really love that. And on top of that, this is quite interesting. It says the first public Bonk ecosystem game on the Moonwalk Fitness will be opening today at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Game begins Thursday and ends Sunday. Spots will be first come, first serve, up to 100 players. Entry fee is 1.235 million Bonk. Game link will be posted on Moonwalk Twitter. So that is there if you guys are interested. And lastly, you can see this for yourself, Robinhood, which is crypto, I think, European side of their platforms. It says, Bonk is now live for trading on Robinhood crypto in select EU jurisdictions. Buy, sell, trade 24/7 on the app and earn a percentage of your trade back in BTC. This is huge. This is massive. Robinhood, as played a huge role when Shiba Inu went insane. And again, Robinhood is one of the exchanges, such as Coinbase, which a lot of newcomers and people that don't really know the technicals behind, using decentralized exchanges and stuff like that, just stick on these platforms. So this opens up massive doors. Obviously, it isn't available in the North American side of things, but I think there will come a time where we do see that announcement as well. I think that is going to help it a lot. So great stuff happening as far as that is concerned. So of course, if you're looking at Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is bouncing back up almost at $66,000, and potentially, guys, we could even see a new all-time high coming in. I think the shakeout is done, and now anyone that was possibly piling up some massive amounts of shorts around there, I think got completely liquidated. So this is, again, a quick reminder why you don't want to be leverage trading. I'm sure people are starting to realize that by now. But let's take a look at our good old friend Bonk. I'm going to switch this into the hourly time frame so we really understand what's going on. So as far as the price of Bonk is concerned, if we're looking at it from February 26th, we're still in an upwards trend, believe it or not. Believe it or not, the price of Bonk is still in an upwards trajectory. And obviously, we did see this massive pullback. And again, not a surprise. Look around, not just Bonk. Everything was impacted. If you want to put this move into perspective, a 50% drop, which is quite significant, shook out a lot of people. But, if you manage to pick some up around there, or you just want to see how much it has bounced since then, Bonk is up 50%. Literally 50% from its wick all the way low, which was earlier today. 50% gain in the last, few hours. Let that sink in. Let's say your buy orders got filled. You're instantly up 50%. So far, so good. Obviously, we do have some resistance coming in the way of Bonk. I think the next main resistance, I would say, is around the 36.23. If this is able to break, I think we're back to where we left off, and we could potentially see a $3 billion market cap being retested, which of course is going to be exciting for Bonk. But that's my overall take on Bonk right now in the immediate short term. Do pay very close attention to Bitcoin. But yeah, that is it for today's update. Do let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.